Well, we're chatting now to an expert specialising in STEM skills. That's science, technology, engineering and applied mathematics. Sounds quite involved, doesn't it? Well, it's using the exciting reprogrammable low-cost robotics, teaching analytical thinking, problem-solving skills as well, with real-world challenges. Sounds very involved. I'm quite fascinated. Michael Etterschenk has been making electronic gadgets for more than, 10 years now, 30 years now, Michael?
For a long time. Thanks very much for having me in, Ray. It's wonderful to be here. I really appreciate it.
That's a long time. You've been working with students as well. You were in the United States, weren't you?
So I was there. I was working for a software company. Sort of wanted to be back in South Africa, and I resolved that when I came back to South Africa, I would do something sort of socially useful.
If kids want to become involved, what do they do? I'm leaving school now. I'm listening to the Early Breakfast Show. This sounds fascinating. What do I do?
But you really need to start thinking early. That's not to say put pressure on the kids. That's rather just to say that they must get involved in this robotics thing. What I'm doing is sort of almost like a little bit after the NXT brick, in that we take discrete individual components, and I have the kids with soldering irons and they put all the little bits on the board and they make this amazing robot, and you can't believe it. It actually transforms that child. They become so confident. They feel like a master of the universe. It's a wonderful process to watch. Well, look, the reason why I got involved in this, obviously I've been building little electronic gadgets and things since 1979, so that gives my age away a little bit. But then I came back to South Africa. I had a little thing going where I was teaching kids electronics at a sort of street shelter for kids in Benoni, which is part of the Nelson Mandela Children's Fund. And but the kids got a little bit bored with the electronics, and then I realized that if you can involve a little robot that moves and does that, it's very captivating. I don't only teach robots, I also try to talk about business, entrepreneurship, a profit margin, sustainability, and then of course there's renewable energy. And all of my robots here, you'll see they've got rechargeable batteries, and we don't want to fill up the whole world with dead batteries.
What sort of involvement have you had with the youth so far?
Okay, I've got a little project going at the Sibono Centre, which is a Department of Education, the Gauteng Department of Education thing, and we've got a little bit of a pilot project going there.
Hello, my name is George Hauke. I'm 15 years old. I go to Topaz Secondary School. I'm in grade 9, and right now I'm in Sibono. We're creating a circuit.
I'm 14 years old. I'm in grade 9, and I love doing robots.
15 years old, and I'm here at Sibono to study about robots, and so far I've programmed the robot and I've...
My name is David Bana, and we are here at Sibono to learn about robots, and I love it a lot.
Well done, eh? Excellent presentation. Well done.
Michael Etterschenk, robotics expert. I'm so impressed. Thanks for joining us on Early Breakfast, and we'll have you again soon, and please keep in touch.